Namaskar and welcome to Radio Zindagi, folks. This is the time when we present Talk Time on Radio Zindagi. And thank you so much for joining us today on Radio Zindagi. And in Talk Time, we talk to the CEO and the founder of National Retail Solutions. And and we have with us Elie. Elie is with us on Radio Zindagi. And folks, you're tuned to the best Radio Zindagi. Yes, Elie. Yeah, can you log in again? I'm waiting. Yeah. Yeah, welcome, Ali. Welcome to Radio Zindagi. And this is Talk Time. Thank you so much for joining us. And welcome to Radio Zindagi. And this is Talk Time on 5:40 a.m., 13:10 a.m., 96.7 FM, and 101.5 FM HD3. And in Talk Time, we talk to the CEO and the founder of National Retail Solution, and that is Mr. Ali. Ali, welcome to Radio Zindagi. How are you doing? You have to unmute, can't hear you.
I'm doing good. Thank you so much for having me. How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. What a great
Say,
opportunity and what a great honor to have you, Ali, on Radio Zindagi. How are you
I'm
doing
glad
today?
to be here. Doing well. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much, Ali. And it's really a great pleasure. It's a beautiful day out. And of course, we have Mr. Ali and CEO founder of NRS, National Retail Solutions. And this is Retail Talk. And we have a great show on Radio Zindagi with Ali. Ali, we'll be talking to you. And I think the subject is so amazing. I loved it. And I think, user login and employee time clock. That is a topic we are talking about today. That is user login and employee time clock. Ali, could you please tell all the listeners of Radio Zindagi and people who are watching us on social media, Facebook, Ali, tell us a bit about the retail business experience you have and your experiences with dealing with employees. What are some of the challenges a retailer faces when having multiple employees?
Listen, employees are the backbone of any business. And the reality is a business could be successful or fail if you have bad employees. And you think about any business, a restaurant, if they have the best food but horrible service, your business could be out of business. A lawyer, if the secretary or the person who you meet in the beginning doesn't treat you well, you'll lose that client. A store owner, a liquor store owner, doesn't matter. They have plenty of places to buy their liquor. No one's looking to get abused at any store. So treating employees properly and making sure your employees are treating your customers properly is essential to any successful business.
And folks, we are talking to Elie from NRS National Retail Solutions, and he's the founder and chairman of National Retail Solutions. And this is a show, Retail Talk. My next question to you, Elie, is how can a point of sale system make it easy for a store owner to know who is or what on shift any given time?
Well, the answer is a POS system has to have different users, different users' permissions, and also different logins, as well as a time clock integration, so that the people that are working know exactly what's in their drawer, and the bosses know exactly who's responsible for the money at what point, and if there's any voids or any other issues, it could be tied into a specific employee.
And my next question, Ali, to you is, and what about access permissions? Does the point of sale system let a store owner give some employees more access to different sections of the POS than others?
Well, there are certain places or functions that an owner does not want their employee to go. Some owners don't want the employees to know how much sales they have. Some owners don't want an employee to be able to void a sale. Certainly, we've all had the situation where we're in the supermarket and we decided we didn't want an item, so that employee had to call the manager to come and take off that item from the register. These are all safeguards that are put in place to protect from theft and to keep the records accurate and proper.
See, now the technology is in, and of course, everything, a POS system, and you have the one of the best POS system in the industry. If you just compare before, it was so difficult to manage employees and keep all the track and records, and now it is very easy with a POS system.
Absolutely, especially the NRSplus.com, world's greatest point of sale register.
hmm And uh, and tell us a bit about the NRS employee time clock premium feature. How does that help a store owner?
So we have a great time clock, and when they decide to take our point of sale register, and they want the employees to log in and log out with our time clock, they go to our register, and that's what they do.
And Elie, thank you so much for joining us today. You have a wonderful weekend, and we thank you so much for your time. And folks, nrspay.com, nrsplus.com. And if you want to connect with NRS, the best way to do is 877 202 8112. 877 202 8112. Thank you so much for your time, Elie, and you have a wonderful weekend ahead.
Thank you. You too. Be well.
Bye.
Dealers are saving and making money with NRS Pay credit card processing. Get free equipment with zero hidden fees and no early termination fee. Honest, clean credit card processing starts at nrspay.com or call 877-202